do they sleep. So gon' slide to the side of the passenger seat. Got the pedal to the metal, can't stop that diesel. With the tour bus full of straight partying people. Rolling 128, gotta pick up the pace. I had to pass Jimmy Johnson just to take first place. I met Miranda Lambert at the CMA. She said I never seen a country boy rock this way. I don't need to rehearse, I'm just doing what I'm feeling. Muscadine, red wine in the past blue room. I can give a good damn about the money in the glam. Give me old Johnny Cash and a beer up in my hand. I represent the real, the red, white, and blue. I represent the truth, 190 proof.
190
black boy, black boy, black boy, black boy, black boy.
190 proof. 190 proof.
Black boys.
190
black boy, black boy, black boy, black boy.
190 proof.
Came crawling through the mud and we tripped up on the gold mine. Working on the buzz, holler at me when it's showtime. Me and Big Boy pop a top and get it going. Got you reaching in your cooler, you be drunk before you know it. Yeah, we got drink, smoke, no passing out. I like to get the party started right around about now. I put the shots up on the bar and go to throwing them down. And find a little country girl and maybe go for a round. So keep it country as a coon dog. Holler at my people, tell them meet me at the pool hall. It's on for the night. I'm gonna try to drink a case or two before the morning sun. I kill a half a gallon bottle, go ahead and get it done.
190. 190 proof.
Black boy.
190. 190 proof.
Black boys.
190 proof.
Oh, here they come now. 44's rolling down a dusty old dirt road. Tires are moaning, groaning, whistling as they go. Boots muddy as hell, I got my old Jones hat turned back. A shotgun beside my leg, CB on the dash. I'm headed back to my old spot way down in the Georgetown swamp. I'll grab a couple 3-inch Magnum loads of double-aught buckshot. Hell, Lord knows that I love this land of mine. I'm rowdy, I'm rough, might be dumb, but I'm tough, and I'm out to have myself a real good time. 'Cause I'm the last of a dying breed, just a country boy making ends meet. I'm alright, even though I'm struggling. Yeah, just a hillbilly hellraiser, loud and proud. You ain't never gonna make me take my flag down. Ain't no runaway cowboy, you get just what you see. Yeah, I'm the last of a dying breed. Well, I dragged the buck back to the truck and I dropped my tailgate down. I throw him on, strap him up, drive him all over town. I crank my music up real loud, you know it don't bother me. Yeah, I rock out the senior, lefty, Earl Scruggs, Bob Wayne, and I ain't free. Yeah, I'm the last of a dying breed, just a country boy making ends meet. I'm alright, even though I'm struggling. Yeah, just a hillbilly hellraiser, loud and proud. You ain't never gonna make me take my flag down. Ain't no runaway cowboy, you get just what you see.